Hi, I'm Ariana Ayu with ArianaAyu.com, your high-class business coach, and I am here today at the lovely Arlington County Courthouse, and I had to come and file some papers for work, because you have to do those sorts of things periodically. And one of the things that I wanted to share as today's luxurious lifestyle tip is when you're dealing with people who are working in service counters. They're there, they've got people coming in line all day long. Take the time to smile. Look at them and really smile. Give them just a moment of feeling luxurious because, let's face it, it's probably not the nicest job. You probably have people who are angry and frustrated and have been waiting in line. So just allow yourself that luxury and give them that moment of just smiling and being friendly and looking at them and seeing them for who they are. Take that one moment, one luxurious moment. That's all you need to make somebody stay. So all my love and joy to you until we meet again, and to your luxurious life.